Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. If say for example you have one of these generic Android tablets, it's not happening to this one, but let's say for example the device is frozen and it's not responding as it should and you can't use the touchscreen at all. I'm going to show you how to do a force restart. Alright, so if the device is frozen, all you got to do is locate the following buttons. You're going to locate volume up, volume down, and power. What you're gonna do is you're gonna hold volume down and power. All right, so what you're gonna do is hold both. You might see a screenshot taken or the volume might go down, but do not worry, simply keep going holding. All right, and then give it like say 15 seconds to 20 seconds, then you can let go. All right, you can test to see if the device is still responsive. If it doesn't come on automatically, go ahead and press power. All right, it will start back over. And of course, the device will boot back up. All right, so as soon as the device boot back up, you should see that the device is back up and running. And of course, the touchscreen will start working again. All right, so you can see that the device is back up, it's loading. Then of course, you can see here, once it loads, that is, might have to give it a little time. There you go, it's back up and running again. And of course, it's starting to react again and things are okay. All right, so that's how you fix a frozen screen on these Chinese generic tablets. So see you in the next one, guys. Bye.